Hey guys, Netherite Dev here, welcome back to another video. So as you probably know, recently Roblox has been really improving the materials. First they added this material manager, which allows you to create your own materials, even though it's not loading for some reason. And now they added this really cool feature, which allows you to generate materials with AI. And that is what we're going to be going over in this video, how to get access to it and how to use it. So right now this feature is in beta, so in order to get access to it, we need to go to File, and then click on Beta Features. And you're going to see this pop up, and you're going to need to find where it says Material Generator right here, and you're going to enable it, and click Save. It may ask you to restart Roblox. If it does, just restart it. And once you are done with that, next to the Material Manager tab, you should see this Material Generator tab. It's the same icon with some fancy little effects next to it. So now that we have it, let's go ahead and go over how to use it. So you're going to go ahead and click on it, obviously, and you're going to see this pops up where we just have a little text box and a button that says Generate, and it's basically like AI image creation, but it's really nice because it is always seamless. And that seamlessness allows us to use it as a texture. So let's go ahead and type in something like white cracked marble and click generate or enter, and it's going to load some images. So you can see we have a few images right here already. So let's go ahead and add in some parts to be able to test this out real quick. So let's go ahead and start with the first option that popped up. So you're just going to go ahead and click on it, and then you can just click on a part to like preview how it will look. And you can see that it works with basically any color, which is really nice. But anyway, let's go ahead and talk about the customization you can do. So first of all, you can set the studs per tile, which is basically like how many of the same pattern it's going to be in like every stud. So you can see it once it's really small, there's like a million of them, but once you put it bigger, it's like half a pattern. So I'm just going to keep it at 10, which is the normal amount. And then you have this little organic box. And I'm not entirely sure, but I believe what that does is it makes it look a little bit more natural. Because like right here, you can see the pattern, but when you click this, but when you click this, you can see it looks more random and less scattered. So this can be nice for things like this, for example, but if you're doing something specific, like, I don't know, a cow texture or something like that, I don't know why you would do that. It would probably not look that great. But this looks pretty nice with marble, so I'll keep it as organic. Then, of course, you can set the name for it, so I'll just go marble 2, and you're going to choose a base material. So basically where you can find this under. So basically, like, is it a type of fabric, type of foil, type of brick? So this is a type of marble, of course, so I'm just going to select marble. And then once you're ready, you can click save and apply variant. Now you should be able to find it here. There we go, you can see we have marble 2. And you can apply it to parts by clicking on the part and then clicking this, of course. As you can see, it looks quite nice. So let's go ahead and put in a different texture here just to show you guys another example. So a texture like this is probably a texture where you definitely want to click on organic, because you can definitely see a pattern in this. And then we can set a base material to be marble and set the name of it to be marble with bumps or something like that, and click save and apply. And now we have two different types of marble. But if you were to do something like pixelated cow, for example, which I don't know why you would do, this looks really weird, but if you were to do something specific like this, then organic mode probably isn't the best option for you, because it's going to distort the image a lot. Or I guess it could be okay, but it's just kind of blurry. But anyways guys, that's it for this video. I hope it helps you to use the new material generator. Let me know what cool uses you found for it in the comment section below. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the next video. See you.